Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss about the one of the practical SQL case studies where you will understand the advanced SQL concept and how you can translate the business requirement into the SQL queries and address the business questions. Okay, so for example, today we are going to discuss about the multi-sales channel performance. So there is a one sales store and they are selling some goods national wide. Okay, and there are records of that goods. So we have a different table called we have a different table in the left hand side. You can see the category, channel name, customer, product, promotion, region, sales, store, subcategory, suppliers. Okay, and these are the five business questions which they are asking, and right now I will address the first question: which sales channels are most profitable by product categories. Okay, so here you have to understand you are interested to identify the sales channel are profitable by product category. So you will need to you need to identify the rank function by categories name and sales data which you need to capture. Okay, so this is you can say this is the sales data. I will give it to you this data, so don't worry. Okay, we will right now discuss only about the what are the key tables which we will be using. Okay, so yeah, hope it will be clear to you. So this data I will give it with you, but the thing is we need to understand these are the different tables: category, subcategory, region, store, channels, suppliers, customers, promotions. Okay, so let us go back to the main business question right now. In order to address the first question, which sales channels are most profitable, we will require these five tables to be checked thoroughly. Okay, so let us check the total top 10 product. Okay, I will execute it. So here you can see top 10 product. It would be for the product tables. You can see the product ID, product name, subcategory, price and cost are given. Second is a sales table. So in sales table you can see the total amount is given, and most important thing, quantity. So here total cost per product is there, and quantity is there. So we'll come to know how many product are being sold and what is their cost price and what is the sales price and sales profitability we can derive from these things. Next thing is category name, category ID. Another one is a subcategory name, subcategory IDs. Okay, and last one is a channel name. So from this channel name, this is our main matrix. So let us write a SQL query: select with sales summary as a. Okay, so we'll first start from the sales table. Select from sales. I will give alias as a s, join product p on s dot product id. Both have the common id, common index as a product id. P dot product id, then join what is the next one. We'll take next one is a category, c on s dot category. Okay, here we need to connect it with p dot product category is equal to c dot category, then join channel, ch on s dot category, sorry, s dot channel name, channel id is equal to ch dot channel id. Great. So we have joined all these three tables. Now we will get the main matrix which we want to understand. So first of all it would be c dot category name, then next is channel, c dot channel name. Okay, now we will start our aggregation method. So our interest is to find what is the total revenue. Okay, so total revenue from this sales table you can get it total amount. Okay, so we'll get it as dot total. Okay, I need to give it here comma total amount So here I will give as a total sales. Okay, now we'll find the total cost. So how we get the total cost? In order to get the total cost, we need to get the what is the number of units sold and what is the price per unit. So from the product table you can get cost, and from the sales table you can get the quantity. Here you can see. So s dot quantity multiplied by p dot cost. Okay, so this will become my as total cost. Okay, then next will come, we want to find the profitability. So what is the profitability? Profitability is like what is your total sales minus what is your cost amount. Okay, so s dot total amount, it is nothing but the difference between this both. Okay, so s dot total amount minus, in bracket I will copy paste this total cost multiplication as a total profitability, total profit. Okay, not profitability. And we want by year. Okay, in 2024 sales date, so we will put a filter condition where sale date between 2024 0101 and 2024 12/31, and we'll add the group by this at we can say subjective attribute. Okay, now we'll hide the query. So here you can see we have received all this metrics based on this customer category name and channel name. Okay, great. Now we want to give the rank based on the category name. Okay, in this channel. So in order to do that, what I will do, I will use rank function, select from this which CTE summary. Okay, what we want to get, category name, then channel name, then obviously we'll get this all matrix. So I will just take the column name of all this matrix. Okay, total cost is not required, total profit is required. Okay, now main thing will come, I will use a rank function over partition by. Okay, here partition I want based on the product category name. Okay, in sales channel. So I will give partition by category name ordered by profit. Okay, and I will put it in descending order. So whichever is profitable, it will be rank 1. So now I will give channel rank from sales summary ordered by category name, or sorry, ordered by channel name. Okay, great. Now I will give a run, I will hit the queries. Okay, so here you can see that we got the output, but one thing is missing. We want percentage profitabilities. Okay, so how you can get the percentage profitabilities? So in order to get the percentage profitabilities, you need to do some kind of custom matrix. How? You need to give total profit by total sales multiplied by 100. I will round it to as a total profitability percentage, PCT. Okay, now I will run it. So here you can see I have I have got total sales, total profit, what is the profitability, and channel rank. Okay, this channel rank is nothing but based on the category name in channels. Okay, so now if you see this profitability percentage is in decimals. Okay, I want to round it to say 2. So what I will do, I will do cast uh, okay, cast as a decimal 10 and 2. So it will give me all this rank in 2 decimal. Okay, so now it is crystal clear that our objective was we need to identify the channel name based on what is the which channel is performing best in this which category is performing best in the channel store. So apparel is giving 38% profitabilities, beauty is giving 59% profitabilities. Yeah, so we have I address our first problem. Okay, I hope you got it. So let me just give you the quick overviews. Our objective was to identify the channel name based on category. We need to rank which is performing the best. Okay, so and accordingly we have gotten the rank based on the channel name. Okay, so for that case what we used the CTE method, we did aggregations, and we use the filter and group by. Then we use the rank function to give the rank based on the category name. If you want to give by the channel name, you can replace here with channel name. Okay, so you will get this rank based on the channel instead of categories. Okay, so you can see in this channel name. Okay, in this channel name you will get which have reported the total sales amount. Okay, so you can see the total sales has reported in electronics category name with rank 1, followed by home goods, sports, apparels, beauty. These are the channel names and these are the subcategories. Okay, so within the channel name these 5 subcategories are there. The rank is mentioned over here. So hope you get the crux of your the business problem. If you have any query, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.